Okay, so we are moving on to 7.2. So question 1, 2, 3 are for pictographs. So in the pictographs, we use symbol to represent or picture to represent a number. So they can be very easy to read. A key must be given. So this is the key. Telling us that one person, it really means 5 million people. So one person in picture means 5 million people. So the advantage of using a pictograph is it can be used to handle a very large amounts of data, or a very large number. In this case, they are all in millions. The disadvantage is, however, it's very difficult to be accurate. Like this one is quite accurate. I can see it's 5 million, but how can I interpret this, right? It looks like 7 or 8 millions. So it's not going to be super accurate. Okay. So let's do the questions. This is question 1A. What was Canada's population in 1942? So in 1942, we have 10 million and a little bit more. So that looks like 11 or 12 million. So I'm just going to put 12 million people. What is Canada's average population growth from 1867 to 1897? 1867 to 1897. So the population growth is 5 million minus 3 million divided by 2. So 2 years has passed from 1867 to 1897. So that looks like it's 1 million per year. That's the average growth. I'm gonna check at the back. 7.2. Yep. 1 million every 15 years. Oh, sorry, it's not 2 years. Yeah. So this is 30 years. Yeah, from 1867 to 1897, that's 30 years. Yeah, the reason I'm checking at the back is because the number seems too big. Especially 100 years ago, to have that amount of growth is quite amazing in just 2 years. Yeah, so I didn't pay attention to the bottom number in years. I thought it was just 2 years. It's actually 30 years. So I get a decimal value 0.06 repeating, and then now I can times that by 1 million, because all of these represent millions. And we get 66,667 people per year. The next one is C. What is Canada's average population increase per year from 1942 to 2002? So 2002, it looks like we have like 33 million, or 32 or 33 million, minus 1942. 1942, we have 23 million people divided by, so the number of years passed will just be 2002 minus 1942, and that should give us the answer. So you're getting 0.16 repeating. Again, we can times this by a million. So we get 166,667 people per year. So a lot more compared to 100 years ago. And it makes sense because we now have more resource due to technology. We have food more available, clean water more available, and also medical care also becoming a lot more available compared to before. Okay, that's the end of question 1. I'll see you in question 2.